Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious ice cream cake at home. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 half-gallon containers of your favorite ice cream and about 24 chocolate sandwich cookies. You'll also need a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Let your ice cream soften slightly at room temperature for about 15 minutes. This makes it much easier to spread evenly later on. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your dessert. Now, let's create the perfect base for our cake. Take about 24 chocolate sandwich cookies and crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. Then, combine these crumbs with 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of your 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This forms a delicious, sturdy crust for your ice cream layers. With your crust chilled, it's time for the star of the show, the ice cream. Take your first softened half-gallon of ice cream and spread it evenly over the cookie crust. Use an offset spatula for a smooth finish. Place the dish back into the freezer for at least 30 minutes to firm up this layer. Then, repeat the process with your second half-gallon of a different ice cream flavor for a delightful contrast. Finally, let's add those delightful finishing touches. Decorate your ice cream cake with whipped cream, chocolate syrup, sprinkles, or any other toppings you love. Once decorated, return the cake to the freezer for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This ensures it's perfectly firm and easy to slice. When serving, use a warm, sharp knife to get those clean, impressive slices every time. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.